Hello, you're welcome to my official YouTube channel. My name is Alavisi Ashishana, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create an amazing ebook cover without cracking your head or thinking, how will I design this or this or this. Most of us that publish on Amazon, after publishing, we keep thinking, okay, how do I design this? How will I put this? Will this be okay? And it gives us a lot of headache, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can seamlessly and effortlessly design your ebook cover. And you can see this is the ebook cover I just designed. I'm sure it's beautiful, right? I think I tried. Well, okay, without wasting much of your time, let's quickly go to the subject of today. So quickly go to your Play Store. You want to go to your Play Store and download an app called Wombo AI Free App. Wombo AI Free App. This is the app here. You can download this here. I already have it already, so it's going to show open, right? I have it on my. And another one I also recommend is this AI. Is this AI art generator? Is this AI art generator? But any day, anytime, please go for Wombo Dream. So it's loading. This app is so amazing. Click on the plus sign. So you want to type, okay. This app is so amazing that it gives you what you type in. So I want to type in osteoporosis. Osteoporosis. If you're doing any religious niche, just do what to type in. You can type in Mary Magdalene or whoever, and it brings out a picture. Alright? Osteoporosis is actually a bone disease. It's actually a bone disease. So let's see what's going to generate for us. I don't like it. I'm running. So once you don't like it, you're going to click on regenerate, right? Click on regenerate. I think the drama here is too much. Let me click on regenerate. Okay, I think I like this. I'll just mix it with a bit of color and it'll be fine. So let me download this. But then before let me download this. So let me go back and show you something again. But I think this tool is very good when you're doing it. Doing cookbooks and I want to come here and write pancreatic cancer cookbook, and this is an AI, right? So the more prompts you give it, the more it comes out. Let's say maybe the best-selling book is a mixture of orange and black and or purple, just something. So let me say cancer book. Use a purple background. Do you understand? Use a purple background. I'm just saying, let's say the best-selling cookbook has a purple background. Use a purple background. So let's say that and let's see what it generates for us. Or if it has orange and you think you want to. Hope you're getting value from this video. If you are getting value from this video, do well to subscribe to this channel. So let's try another one. I don't think I really like this. No. This is not bad, but I'm still hoping for more. Okay, I think this is cool, right? I think this is cool. So I'm going to download this. I think this is cool. This classic, unique. I think I like this. So let me download. Let me download this image, and you're going to press on this button here. On this button here. So you download it. So once you download the image, then we'll go to Canva, right? We'll go to Canva and use Canva to finish all the work. As you can see that the letters are not well aligned, are not properly arranged, right? So we want to use Canva to finish all the work. So let's go quickly to Canva. just click on create a design. So I want to upload that one from device. I want to upload the one we downloaded. So this one, right? I want to upload this one. You can see it generated this for me. You can see this is nice, right? Generated this for me. And then, so, but then we're not using this one. So we want to use this one. Okay, this is not bad too. So use this one. Want to use this one. Okay, I think this is not bad. I think this is not bad. So we want to now. What do we want to? First of all, you have to crop out this watermark. So go to upload. You know, I've uploaded it on my Canva. The image I download, I uploaded it to my Canva. It's on my Canva, right? So this is the image here. This is the image here. So just adjust it. Adjust it. Adjust it. Wow. So I think this is fine. So I want to go to elements. Let's pick any element. So this element here, I want to pick this color. So I'll just come here. This is a color picker here. I'll just click on it. They're going to pick this color for me. Wow, can you see that? So I'm just going to stretch it and stretch it to cover that and write my words, right? Interesting, right? So if you're getting value from this video, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. So then we're going to our test. Okay, I think I didn't cover it very well, so let me just. Okay, so adding. Okay, let me use calculator. Pancreatic. So let's move this up. Let's move this up. So if we want to reduce the size, let's reduce the size. Okay, let me see if I can use this. Okay, so I'm going to use this. It's coming up. It's coming up. Okay, that's fine. Oh, good job. So I'm going to change this to white. You can see it's coming up. So another letter over here. I'm going to do diet. Alright, so let's make it white. So sorry, I like this. Let's make it white. Let's change the picture. Let's see. Okay. Still yet didn't do a picture like I want. Let me still see. I don't want this video to be too long, but just explore. Okay, there's no bad. There's no bad. So diet, pancreatic diet, right? So that's for me cookbook. So I'll cookbook over here. Cookbook. So as well use what I use for the first then this again. Then let me change the color to white. Wow, you can see it's coming up. So I just want to print this. Let's book and see that. Just explore. The whole idea is how you can design your book cover. You can say this is coming out. So, and we can bring another element here and just can start to even put 2023 edition or something. And you can come here and just write 100 plus recipe. Let's see, we say 100 plus here, something like 100. Okay. This one will be for us. Let's do this. So you can see. And I say 100. Or should we still make this one purple? Okay, I think this is fine. 100 recipes. 100 recipes. And you can come here and this thing here. Come down here. 100 recipes. So I hope you got value for this video. If you got value for this video, do it to subscribe to this channel and support this channel. 100 plus recipe. In fact, test, okay. That recipe again. Recipes and decide. So I want to use that gold. Cover, I don't know. But if I'm not sure, I just come here to my color picker. Now pick color here. Okay. It's the same thing, I guess. So pancreatic diet cookbook 100 recipe. So you can decide to. So you can see this pancreatic cookbook 100 recipes. This unique, classic, and I mean it's good to go. You are good to go. So you don't have to crack your brain every time you want to do a book cover. Just get Wombo and download templates. Just type what you need, download templates. And if you got value from this video, do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe to this channel and support this channel. Thank you very much and God bless you. So from here, you can just go ahead and download your ebook cover, right?